Hi, I'm with Mr. Pedford in Fayetteville, North Carolina. We just installed a brand new Gator Metal Roofing on his house. And how you doing this afternoon, sir?
I'm doing fine. How about you?
All right, doing just great. Want to ask you a couple questions. How do you feel about the roof?
I feel fine about it. I'm pleased they installed it.
Okay.
And hope I'm satisfied with it 50 or 100 years from now.
All right, I'm sure you will be. All right, any problems with it so far?
Not yet.
Okay. Are you satisfied with the guys that came out and did the job?
I am.
Okay, good enough. Would you recommend Gator to someone else?
Did that already.
Okay, well, we really appreciate it, sir. All right, you have any questions or concerns?
Do you have cards for something that I can pass along?
Okay, I'll give you some before I leave. All right. Well, sir, we appreciate you using Gator and allowing us to put a new roof on top of your house. All right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for allowing us to do it.